I just came back from the grocery store and I got a bunch of produce. Now I need to wash it, sort it, and organize it. Will you help me do that?
Yes!
Thanks. We have a big job to do, and at the end, we'll make a soup and a fruit salad. This is a yellow peach. Let's wash it. First, we need to turn on the water, and now we can wash it. Peaches are really sweet and juicy. I love peaches. This one's done. Let's move on to our next one. Here we have a green pepper. Green peppers are delicious and nutritious. Here we have a purple plum. Purple plum is super sweet. Up next is an orange pepper. Do you like peppers?
Yes!
I do. Here we have purple grapes. Yum! They're super sweet and taste great in fruit salads. Here we have a purple onion. We can use this onion to make soups and salads. Red grapes. Red grapes would also taste really well in a fruit salad. Here is an orange peach. Now that's something we could add to our fruit salad as well. Green broccoli, my favorite vegetable. Do you like broccoli? Orange carrot. Orange carrot is another one of my favorite vegetables. What's your favorite vegetable? Red raspberries are soft, nutritious, and delicious. Here we have a yellow banana. Yellow banana is a wonderful snack. Here we have a yellow pepper. Yellow peppers taste delicious in sautés and in salads. Up next, we have a red tomato. Do you like tomatoes? I love tomatoes and everything made out of tomatoes. And lastly, we have a green pear. Let's give it a good wash and we can use it in our fruit salad later. Now we can turn off the water and organize our produce. Let's separate our produce into vegetables and fruit. Starting with the purple plum. Do you know if plums are vegetables or fruit? Fruit! That's right. Is green broccoli a vegetable or a fruit? It's a vegetable. Are peaches fruits or vegetables? Fruits! That's right. We'll place it in the fruit pile. Are apples fruits or vegetables? Fruits! So we'll place it with the fruits. Are green peppers vegetables or fruits? Vegetables! Are peaches vegetables or fruits? Fruits! That's right. Are grapes fruits or vegetables? Fruits! That's right. Are carrots fruits or vegetables? Vegetables! Up next, we have a yellow banana. Do we put it in the vegetable pile or in the fruit pile? Fruit pile. Here we have a green pear. Does pear go with fruits or vegetables? Fruits. Are onion fruits or vegetables? Vegetables. Are peppers vegetables or fruits? Vegetables. Are grapes fruits or vegetables? Fruits. That's right. We have purple grapes and red grapes. Are raspberries fruits or vegetables? Fruits. And the last one is this orange pepper. Are peppers vegetables or fruits? Do you remember? Vegetables! We have green, yellow, and orange peppers now in the vegetable pile. Now let's organize our produce by color. In this basket, we're going to place purple produce. In this basket, we'll place red produce. In this basket, we'll place yellow produce. In this basket, we'll place green produce. And in this basket, we'll place orange produce. Let's grab our purple grapes. Which one of these baskets should we place our purple grapes inside? That's right! Here we have a green pear. Which one of these baskets do we place our green produce in? That's right! How about this one? These are red grapes. Which one of these baskets is for red produce? Here's a yellow peach. Where does our yellow produce go to? That's right. This is an orange basket. Do you see any orange produce? That's right. This pepper is orange. And this peach is orange. Do you see anything else orange here? Here's one, orange carrot. We can place that in the orange basket. Only a few more vegetables to go. This is the basket for our yellow produce. Do you see any yellow produce? That's right. Here's a yellow pepper and a yellow banana. Let's place it in the yellow basket. Let's find some more green produce. Do you see any green produce? That's right. Green pepper, green broccoli. Go in the green basket. Now we have purple, red, purple, red. Let's pick up the red produce, red apple, and red raspberries and place them inside our red basket. Great job! Now purple plum and purple onion go inside our purple basket. Great job sorting all these vegetables. Now let's go make some soup. We'll place this pot on top of our stove and cut some vegetables. Here's our cutting board and our knife. We'll be needing those, starting with this purple eggplant. We'll cut it in half and we'll be only using half of the eggplant. Into our pot it goes. Next, we have some red onions. We'll also be using half of an onion. Into the pot. Next, we'll be cutting some carrots. Recipe calls for half a carrot, half a carrot. Here we have some cauliflower, but first let's peel the outside part and now we can cut the cauliflower. We'll only be using half of cauliflower. Into the pot. Now we'll be using some of this red tomato. We only need a little bit this time. Into the pot. We'll save the rest of these vegetables for some other time we make soup. Since I like my soup spicy, I'll add this red chili pepper. Now we'll add some vegetable stock. That should do it. Let's turn on the oven and give it a stir. That looks yummy. Now let's cover our soup and let it cook. While we wait, we can make our fruit salad. For our fruit salad, we'll be needing some watermelon. We'll take half and put it into our bowl and save half for later. We'll also add some kiwi. We'll only use half of it and save the other half for later. Let's add some delicious purple grapes. I love grapes. We'll be using half as well. Into the bowl. Let's add some cherries and red raspberries. Our fruit salad is ready to go. I think our soup is ready too. So let's turn off the oven and take the soup off the stove. Now let's pour some soup inside this orange bowl. Take a little bit of onion, some tomato, and carrots. Can't forget the chili pepper. I love spicy soups. Now, let's give it a try. That was delicious. Now let's try our fruit salad. The best fruit salad ever. Thanks for playing with me. Come back soon so we can play some more. Bye!